Everyone, it's Coach Julian. Hope you're well. So today I'm going to do an outdoor workout using my TRX. I call this exercise a no big deal. Basically, you're going to make your TRX fully lengthened or to the proper height where the bottom part of the footrest is about mid-calf. Single hand mode. I'm going to place one foot through. Here's my setup. Level 1. Your fingertips can touch the floor. You come up. No more fingertips touching the floor. Now you have a high plank. And then you come up. Wah! And you can add the arm-leg coordination. You're like, hey man, I want some more challenge. Cool. You can add a push-up. Go here. Then we add a hop, decelerate, push-up, here. Boom. There you go. So you want to focus on form. You can do about 10 reps. Again, I showed you that regression. You can just do a high plank, don't add the push-up, don't add the hop. Do it for the prescribed reps and do it on the opposite side. At the end of the workout, you're going to be smiling. Any questions, reach out. Enjoy the exercise.